The best packages come in a pink package. Last time I ordered one of these, I got a corset and then a matching corset and like really cute skirt. I don't think I've ever seen these before. Let's start with this one because I don't know what it is and it's the smallest out of the three. What is this? This is cute. I like this with a little tank top underneath. Second biggest. I think it's a dress. Wait. I think I got the Peter Rabbit corset dress. The back can be laced up a little tighter. The crazy thing is that I've looked at this dress for so long and everyone said it was so short, so I never bought it. But this, tights and boots, it's gonna be such a look. I remember you can make this part shorter so it shows more of like the underskirt. I'm so excited. This almost looks like a coat or it's a really like thick dress. This is the cutest thing I've ever laid my eyes on. It's a coat. And then look at these sleeves. And it has pockets. The back. Oh my god. With this cute little belt. This already makes me feel like a princess and I haven't even put it on. Ooh. And the inside is lined. It's actually pretty thick. Like this is gonna keep me so warm. I'm actually so happy about this mystery bag. Happier than the very first one that I had gotten. This is so cute. Anyways, I just wanted to open that up with you guys and I will see you soon. Bye.